When Tesla quietly revealed new production activity around the Model Y Juniper 2026 at Giga Texas, it wasn't done with a flashy keynote or a dramatic press release. Instead, the story emerged the Tesla way through factory activity, subtle confirmations, production movement, and what insiders and observers began noticing on the ground in Austin. And when you put all those signals together, it becomes clear that something important is happening. The Model Y Juniper isn't just getting built at Giga Texas. It's becoming a cornerstone of Tesla's next production era. Giga Texas has always been more than just another factory. From the moment it was announced, Tesla positioned it as a future-forward manufacturing hub, designed to handle scale, speed, and flexibility in a way older factories simply can't. Now, with Juniper entering the picture, that vision is becoming more concrete. The production lines being used for the refreshed Model Y show a level of refinement that suggests Tesla has learned deeply from the first generation of Model Y production. Panel gaps appear more consistent, build flow looks smoother, and quality checks seem more integrated into the line rather than treated as a final step. One of the biggest revelations tied to Juniper at Giga Texas is how Tesla is restructuring the way it builds vehicles. Instead of rigid model-specific lines, Tesla is moving toward adaptable production zones. This allows different Model Y trims, long-range, performance, and future variants, to be assembled with minimal downtime between configurations. This flexibility matters because it lets Tesla respond faster to demand changes without slowing overall output. It also hints at how future Tesla models may be introduced more seamlessly, without major factory shutdowns. The Juniper refresh itself is subtle but intentional. Tesla isn't chasing dramatic redesigns anymore. Instead, the changes are focused on efficiency, comfort, and long-term ownership value. At Giga Texas, the Juniper Model Y shows revised body components that improve aerodynamics without altering the familiar silhouette. This keeps manufacturing efficient while still delivering measurable gains in range and noise reduction. It's evolution, not revolution, and that's exactly what mass-market buyers tend to value. Inside the factory, Juniper production benefits from updated wiring architecture. This isn't something Tesla advertises openly, but it's a critical detail. The simplified wiring layout reduces weight, improves reliability, and makes future hardware integration easier. In practical terms, this means the Model Y Juniper is better prepared for upcoming sensor upgrades, computing hardware revisions, and evolving driver assistance features. Even if buyers never upgrade those systems, the vehicle is built on a platform that won't feel outdated quickly. Thermal management is another area where Giga Texas production quietly shines. The Juniper Model Y rolling off the Texas line incorporates improved heat pump logic and battery temperature regulation. These changes don't show up in bold marketing claims, but they significantly impact real-world driving. Cold weather efficiency improves, hot climate charging stability increases, and overall battery stress is reduced. Over years of ownership, these factors play a major role in battery health, and Tesla knows it. One of the most telling signs that Juniper matters is where Tesla chose to build it. Giga Texas isn't just producing cars for convenience, it's producing them to anchor Tesla's North American strategy. Building the refreshed Model Y domestically reduces logistics costs, shortens delivery times, and aligns production with evolving EV incentive requirements. For buyers, this translates into better availability and potentially more stable pricing. For Tesla, it means tighter control over quality and supply chains. There's also a strong signal about performance variance. Observers have noted that Giga Texas is increasingly involved in building higher performance configurations of the Model Y Juniper. This suggests Tesla is confident in the factory's ability to handle more demanding builds, vehicles that require tighter tolerances, upgraded components, and stricter quality checks. It's a vote of confidence in the facility and in the Juniper platform itself. Beyond the car, the production line tells a bigger story about Tesla's future. Automation at Giga Texas is more refined than before, not necessarily more robotic, but smarter. Tasks are sequenced more efficiently, human intervention is used where it adds the most value, and inspection systems rely more heavily on vision-based analysis. This reduces rework, improves consistency, and lowers long-term production costs. Juniper benefits directly from these improvements, but so will every Tesla model built there in the future. From a consumer perspective, all of this means the Model Y Juniper 2026 is shaping up to be the most mature version of Tesla's best-selling vehicle. It's quieter, more comfortable, more efficient, and built with lessons learned from millions of cars already on the road. It doesn't try to reinvent what the Model Y is, it perfects it. Giga Texas also plays a role in how fast Tesla can iterate. Because the factory is designed for rapid updates, Tesla can introduce small changes throughout the Juniper's life cycle without waiting for a major refresh cycle. That means buyers later in the production run may benefit from incremental improvements that early adopters never even knew were coming. It's a living production system, not a static one. And perhaps the most important takeaway from the Giga Texas reveal is confidence. Tesla wouldn't anchor such a critical model refresh at this factory if it didn't believe the Model Y would remain central to its lineup for years to come. Juniper isn't a stopgap. It's a long-term commitment to refining the vehicle that defines Tesla's global success. As production ramps up, more details will surface. Real-world owner feedback will reveal how these factory-level changes translate to daily driving. But what's already clear is that the Model Y Juniper 2026, as built at Giga Texas, represents Tesla at its most disciplined and deliberate. No hype, no dramatic promises, just a refined product built at scale designed to last. And in a rapidly evolving EV market, that quiet confidence may be Tesla's strongest move yet.